ready to draw Calvin from Calvin and Hobbes. Alrighty. I like this little guy. Full of fun. He's got a big head, he does. Just like this. Let's give him a big ol' head here like this. And a fun chin down here like this. And he's got good ear here and some hair bits just kind of sticking out like this. He's got some crazy blonde hair, he does. He is Calvin after all, though. That's right. And let's see here, and they'll go up like this. Just like that. That'll make some fun hair. And his nose here like that. And there's a big old smile he does, just like this. There you go, and he's always got his tongue here like that. That's nice. Give him some eyes. Calvin, there he goes. Little hair, that's great. Don't forget his ear over here. That's right, we'll put his arms out like this. Body down like that. There we go. Just like that. Sleeve of his t-shirt there. This is fun. Give him some thumb there. Finger 1, 2, 3 fingers for him. There we go. Same over here. Thumb. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3. All right, looking good. All right. He's kind of got some funny shorts, he does. I was never ever too sure whether they're pants or shorts, but we're gonna do that with them right about there. And then he's got some shoes here. One. Second shoe like that. There we go. Draw some design on the shoes for him. Just like that. Same over here. Looking good. All right, everybody. Give him a bit of a shadow here. He's always got a shadow and some stripes on his shirt. That's right. Perfect. It's Calvin from Calvin and Hobbes. Let's get to the color. Calvin has light skin, a red shirt, black pants, blonde hair, pink tongue and shoe parts. Thanks, everyone.